A ball is thrown downward from a window in a tall building. The distance, d, the ball traveled, is given by the equation d equals 16t squared plus 32t, where t is the time traveled in seconds. How long will it take the ball to fall 180 feet? So here we're given the distance, d, 180, and we want to find the values of t that cause this equation to equal 180. So we'll start with the equation again. We know that 16t squared plus 32t equals d, and we're going to substitute the 180 in for d, giving us 16t squared plus 32t equals 180. So we're going to try to find the values of t that cause this equation to be true. So we'll try the factoring method first, which means we have to bring the 180 over to the left side of the equation, making it a negative 180 equals 0. And we can factor a 4 out of all three terms. So factoring out 4, we're left with 4t squared plus 8t minus 45, and that equals 0. And this quadratic factor can be factored further. It can be factored as 2t minus 5 times 2t plus 9 equals 0. Now we'll set each factor equal to 0. It does not make sense to set 4 equal to 0, so we only need to worry about the two factors that contain the variable. So 2t minus 5 equals 0, or 2t plus 9 equals 0. And we'll solve each of these. We get 2t equals 5. T is equal to 5 halves, or 2t equals negative 9. T is equal to negative 9 halves. And because of the context of this problem, right, t, we're trying to find how many seconds elapsed in order for this object to fall 180 feet. We cannot have a negative time. So that answer is an extraneous solution. We must eliminate it. Therefore, it takes 5 halves seconds, or in other words, it takes 2.5 seconds for the ball to drop 180 feet.